Today, we're going to learn how to compare fractions. Let's warm up with something easy. Fractions with the same denominator. If we have 1/4 and 2/4, which one is bigger? Of course, 2/4 is bigger than 1/4. Now we change a bit. Let's look at fractions with different denominators but the same numerator. Take 1/3 and 1/4. Which one do you think is bigger? Look at the circle diagram. Yes, 1/3 is bigger than 1/4. We can also use a bar model to see this. It makes the difference even clearer. Here's a whole set of fractions with the same numerator but different denominators. Let's draw the bar diagrams. Notice something? The bigger the denominator, the more pieces we cut the whole into, and the smaller each piece becomes. So 1/3 is the largest, and 1/8 is the smallest. And if we look at the long bar model, it's even easier to see. More cuts mean a smaller piece. This rule helps us even when drawing isn't practical. For example, 1/98 versus 1/97. We can't really draw 98 slices, right? But we know if we cut a hole into 98 pieces, the piece is smaller compared to slicing 97 pieces. So, 1/98 is less than 1/97. And if 1/98 is smaller than 1/97, then 10/98 is also smaller than 10/97. But what about a problem like 5/6 versus 7/9? Both the numerator and denominator are different. What do we do? No worries. For the different denominators, we had learned to find a common denominator. For 5/6 and 7/9, the common denominator is 6 times 9 equals 54. Let's rewrite 5/6 first. Multiply top and bottom by 9. Top now changes to 5 times 9 equals 45. Now rewrite 7/9. Multiply top and bottom by 6. Top now changes to 7 times 6 equals 42. Which is bigger? Right, 45 is bigger, so 5/6 is greater than 7/9. Now we understand the rule. We can use an even quicker trick, cross multiplication. Take 5/6 and 7/9 again. Multiply the left numerator by the right denominator. 5 times 7/9 equals 45. Multiply the right numerator by the left denominator. 7 times 6 equals 42. Compare 45 and 42. And we see again that 5/6 is greater. It just had a cross multiplication and did the comparison. It can apply to all the fraction comparisons. Let's have some practice. First, 4/5 versus 5/7. Cross multiply. Left side, 4/7. 4 times 7 equals 28. Right side, 5 times 5 equals 25. So 4/5 is greater than 5/7. Next, 6/7 versus 7/8. Cross multiply again. Left side, 6/7 6 times 8 equals 48. Left side, 7 times 7 equals 49. This time 48 is less than 49, so 6/7 is less than 7/8. Awesome work! We've now learned most points of proper fractions. In our next lesson, we'll go one step further and explore improper fractions. Fractions that are greater than one whole. See you next time.